Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Mysore location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss in detail one by one, and this information purely collected from newspapers. Please like our videos to encourage us to do more videos for Mysore locations. We will be providing more job information. Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for the Wipro market. They are looking for various positions like marketing executives. Only male candidates are eligible for this job role. And accountants, both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role, and up to 2 years of experience is required as an accountant. And administrator, only male candidate is eligible for this job role, and they are also looking for public relation executive. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role, and they are also looking for billing executive. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role, and office executives, only male candidates are eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. There is also official address details available. You can check with that. Contact numbers are 9480192892 and 9880111835. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Paramahamsa Vidyaniketana. They are looking for various positions for teaching positions like for the subjects maths and science, English and social, maths and science with a different qualification set, and physical education nursery teachers. If you see maths and science, qualification is MSc or BSc, PCM and CBZ, BEd, and for English and social teachers, MA, BA, BEd is required. For maths and science teachers, BSc, PCM and CBZ with DED, and physical education faculty, this is CPED and BPED the qualification, and nursery teachers NST or Montessori training is required. You should have a proficiency in spoken English and computer knowledge or prerequisite for all the positions. You can share your resume at the provided email ID within January 31st, 2021. You can also contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 0821 230 3094 and 97401 33838 and 81055 29560 and 94821 24389. There is also available official address details. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for View Enterprises. They are looking for various positions. It is a direct walk-in interview from January 28th to February 3rd. And the experienced candidates about 2 years are eligible for the job roles. They are looking for various positions like social media marketer, digital marketer, front-end developer, back-end developer, full-stack developer, graphic designer, Australian chat process, US voice process. You can check with the note. All the rounds are held face-to-face. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information, and there is also official address details available. You can check with that. Contact numbers are 8105376363 and 8105356363. Next, there is a job openings for Baden Powell Public School. They are looking for teaching positions for social science. Qualification is BA, MA, BEd. Trained and experienced candidates may share your resumes to the provided email ID within 3 days along with your photographs. Email ID is principal@bppschool.ac.in, principal@bppschool.ac.in. So you have to share within January 31st to the provided email ID. Next, there is job openings for Lalita Jewelries Private Limited. They are looking for various positions, and this is a great opportunity to work with India's leading jewelry chain. All graduates are required. Age should be between 20 to 35 years. Should be hardworking and with pleasing personality and excellent leadership qualities with strong communication skills. Jewelry experience is preferred. Good salary along with attractive incentives will be offered. This is a upcoming jewelry, new jewelry showroom in Mysore. That is Lalita Jewelries. They are opening a new showroom. For that, they are recruiting. So this is the walk-in details. You can walk in today and tomorrow, Thursday and Friday. And this is the address details where the interviews are going on. You can check with the address details. There is also official contact numbers and official email ID available. You can check with that. And if you see what are the job openings available, branch manager minimum 5 years of experience is required, and showroom manager minimum 4 years of experience is required. Floor manager, both male and female candidates are eligible, minimum 3 years of experience is required. And HR executive, both male and female candidates are eligible. Accounts executive, both male and female candidates are eligible. Sales executive, both male and female candidates are eligible. And there are openings for sales executive position, both freshers and experienced. Age limit is 18 to 30 years. And cashier position, they have 10 vacancies. For sales executive position, they have 100 vacancies. And billing executive, they have 10 vacancies. Store in charge or executive, they have 2 vacancies. Appraiser, gold or silver, only experienced candidates are required, 10 vacancies available. Goldsmith, only experienced candidates, 2 vacancies available. EDP executive, only experienced candidates, 2 vacancies available. CCTV and networking executive, 5 vacancies available. Customer relationship executive, only female candidates are eligible. Both freshers and experienced are eligible. Age limit is 18 to 30 years, 10 vacancies available. Telephone operator, only female candidate is eligible, 2 vacancies available. Electrician, 1 vacancy is available. Plumber, 1 vacancy. AC technician, 1 vacancy. Assistant security officer, age limit is maximum 50 years, 5 vacancies available. Security guard, age limit is maximum 45 years, 20 vacancies available. Driver position, 10 vacancies available. Office assistant, 5 vacancies available. You can carry your resume, latest pay slip along with Aadhaar copy and passport size photo. You can directly walk into the given address today or tomorrow. Timings will be 10:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Contact numbers are 7349744252 and 08026654411 or 08026654422. At the end of the four numbers are there is a four another three numbers available. You can check with that. And email ID is careers at lalithajewery.com. Next, there is job openings for J&K Enterprise. They are looking for office assistant position. Only female candidates are eligible for this job role, and there is 4 vacancies. Age limit is 18 to 28 years. Minimum qualification 10th or 2nd PUC or any degree. Basic computer knowledge is required. This is the address details. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 9964942491 and 9164307146. Next, there is job openings for Aishwarya Independent PU College. They are looking for a staff for the post of computer science and warden. For computer science, qualification is MSc in computer science or MCA. For warden, male or female, qualification is any degree. You can directly walk into the given address on January 30, that is Saturday, between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. College campus, along with attested copies of all testimonials for the following post. Attractive salary along with the free food and accommodation will be provided for deserving candidates. Fluency in English is mandatory. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 08276 279 or 08276 279 and 98803 and 94838 43189. And the job location is Kushal Nagar. You can check with that. Balluru village, Kushal Nagar. Next, there is a job openings for Vidyavahini School. They are looking for teaching positions. This is the address details. You can check with that. Qualification DED English or Hindi and EVS. BSc, MSc, BEd Science, GBZ, BA, BPED, Physical Education. So these are all the teachers required for these categories and PUC as well. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can also contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 9844032278 and 8105011881. Next, there is a job openings for Geeta Shishu Shikshana Sangha. They are looking for lecturer positions for the subjects physics, chemistry, mathematics, botany, zoology, computer science, statistics, accountancy, business studies, English, Kannada, and Hindi. Minimum qualification is MSc, BEd, MCOM with minimum 5 years of teaching experience along with administrative skills preferred. Applications must be sent through post or courier along with the relevant documents on or before January 30. So you have to send your documents within or on January 30 to the provided address. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for Akshobhya Buildmart. They are looking for various positions like business development executive, sales executive, and accountant position. Minimum experience is required for these positions. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8105589797. Next, there is a job openings for Sana Institutes. They are looking for receptionist position. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 8892400495 and 9886131038. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Mysore location with part 2 probably tomorrow. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos if you are not subscribed, and share our videos with your friends and family members who are in need of job. And please like our videos and encourage us to do more videos and to provide more information for Mysore location jobs. And thank you so much for your support. Keep support me like this. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.